Is your image always blur after editing in Photoshop? Don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you how you can sharpen your image and also how you can color grade your image in just 3 minutes. So without wasting much time, let's get to it. First of all, I'm going to duplicate the background layer into two places. So to duplicate the background layer, it's either you press Command J on the keyboard, I will duplicate it into two, or let me just delete this, or you drag it down to this point. Whichever works for you is fine. So I'm just going to press the Command J on the keyboard twice to duplicate the background layer into two places. So after duplicating that, I make sure I select the first one here. So after selecting that, I'll head on to filter, then I'll choose order, then I'll choose high pass. So this high pass, I'm going to take it to 0.1. So I'm just going to adjust this high pass till when I can see the texture on the main image popping out, just the texture. So you can see the texture is already out. I'll hit OK. Then I'll change the blending mode to linear light. So after changing it to linear light, you can see the image is looking sharp now. I'll just reduce the opacity to 70. So you can see the image is still looking very sharp. After doing that, I'm going to select the two layer. I'm going to highlight this as well, and I'm going to right click. So after right clicking, I'll select convert to smart object. So after converting that, I'll still go to my filter, then I'll choose camera raw. So in this camera raw, I'm going to color grade this image. So I'll start by adjusting the exposure a bit. Mind you, I'm on the basics. So I'm going to add contrast to this image, and I'm going to reduce the highlight, then add a little bit of shadows and also reduce the white and also the black. I'm going to reduce it to -50 so you can see the figures I'm using. So after reducing that, I'll come right to the exposure, pop it up a bit, just a bit, and I'll reduce the black to -55. So the white, I'm going to reduce it to -50. So you can see the image is coming out already. For the texture, I'll add 1, and for the clarity, I'll add 3. So once I'm done with these basics, I'm going to close it and I'll open the color mixer. So once I click the color mixer, I'm going to head on to saturation. I'm going to add the orange and also the yellow. I'm going to add it a bit. The red too, I'm going to add it. For the orange, I'm going to add it to about +50, and for the red, I'm going to add it to plus, let me just go with 37. So you can see I'm not going to add any of this because the colors are not here. So for the yellow, so I'm going to add it to this, and I'll still come back to the orange, add it a bit to make the image really pop, and I'll head on to the hue. For the orange, if I take it to this other side, it's adding the magenta. If I take it to the side, this kind of yellowish. So I'm going to add just a bit. I know I'm not going to touch any of these areas again. I'll close it, then I'll come to the effect and I'll add this to make the area black. So I'm just going to, or to to darken the edges a bit. Then also I'll get to the calibration and I'll head on to red. If I take it here, you can see I take it here. So I'm just going to add a little bit, like +2. It's fine. And once I'm done here, I'll still come back to the basics, and for the exposure is okay. So I'm just going to take the highlight a bit and add a little bit of shadows, and I'll hit OK. So once I hit OK, let me show you guys the before. This is the before and this is the after. This is the before and this is the after. I hope this video was helpful. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be notified. And also like, comment and share this video. And if you're having difficulties in retouching, this video is going to show you the basics of retouching in Photoshop. So see you on the next one.